Right back here on the Galaxie, we're pressing in bushings. Wick's got this really awesome OEM Tools bushing R&R set, which once you kind of figure out what you got going here, man, I like using this better than a press. It's definitely less dangerous.
Especially that press.
Oh yeah, yeah. Where was this press made again?
China.
China.
And it's not one of China's finest either.
Yeah, it's not.
There is such a thing.
It's not nice Chinese. That would be made in Taiwan.
Yeah.
But
Really.
yeah, there's a video on this, and it'll probably be live long before you see this anyway. So yeah. Anyway, pressing in bushings, getting ready, and we'll assemble our front suspension today. Right, we've got our upper control arms all spiffy, fresh from BJ Powdercoat over at Bob's Auto Body in Cathedral City. Awesome job as usual. Put in our ball joint. Gotta put the grease fitting in still. Bump stops in. Shafts are in. These are a real pain. A lot of people have issues with these, and they are a total pain in the ass. Don't get me wrong. But you just gotta kind of float them in there, get them started, and then work it in. You know, one and one and one and one and one and one. Got it? Cool, that one's done. I'm gonna wrap up the other one, put ball joints in the lowers, and we're gonna start assembling. So back here with the offset shaft deletes, getting them installed. The one thing they don't tell you is they tell you to put the new large nuts back into the frame first. When you do that, especially on this car, there's not enough room for the 3/4 bolt to go in and out. So I had to pull it back out, put the bolt in it. I'm gonna tighten it back down again and torque it. Pull it back out again, grease behind the washer, and then we can put her together.